all the parents, to all the students, जनरली क्या होता है कि फैशन डिजाइनिंग सोचते ही सबको ये लगता है ये टेलरिंग जॉब है।
स्टिचिंग करना है, डैड मेरे को एम्ब्रॉयडरी करना है, मॉम मेरे को फैब्रिक पेंटिंग करना है, मेरे को टेक्सटाइल सीखना है।
Hate this politics and politician का टॉपिक है। Then I was thinking बाप रे, बच्चे यही माइंडसेट से आते हैं कि हम जाके कटिंग सीखेंगे, स्टिचिंग सीखेंगे and I will be like professional tailor.
Why the industry of fashion? Why did you choose fashion as a career?
अब तुम्हारा करियर खराब हो जाएगा, बर्बाद हो जाओगी, मॉडलिंग करेगी, नंगे कपड़े पहनेगी।
Things don't happen in the industry of fashion.
And everybody was like, "ये खुद भी बकती रहती है, क्या ही PhD करने जाएगी and all." Because generally I have seen people doing PhD at very old age. बिगड़ जाएगी, हाथ से निकल जाएगी, she will do modeling.
That
So-
misconception is still there.
हाँ, still it is there. Entire family was like, बेटी को कौन से फील्ड में डाल रहे हो, बर्बाद हो जाएगी, इज्जत खराब हो जाएगा and all. Yeah, one daughter.
Cliche.
My dad was the first person. First he wasn't happy. उन्होंने हमेशा ये बोला कि बेटा आप इतने पैसे खर्चे कर रहे हो, इतने में तो आप इंजीनियर बन जाते and some other field you would have chosen. जिन लोगों ने मुझे डिमोटिवेट किया, जिन लोगों ने इस फील्ड को नीचा समझा, now those people are appreciating me.
Hi, Mr. Sir. Finally,
Hi.
it's good to have you. Now, tell me what made you tell a yes to us when we insisted you for the podcast.
I really wanted to share one knowledge and to all the parents, to all the students, generally क्या होता है कि फैशन डिजाइनिंग सोचते ही सबको ये लगता है ये टेलरिंग जॉब है। दो इट इज अ स्किल बेस्ड कोर्स, बच्चे यही माइंडसेट से आते हैं कि हम जाके कटिंग सीखेंगे, स्टिचिंग सीखेंगे एंड आई विल बी लाइक प्रोफेशनल टेलर and outside it is known as professional tailor only, but it is a message to all parents, all students, ये टेलरिंग जॉब नहीं है। यहाँ टेलरिंग सीखते हो for the knowledge, but you will be like a professional designer wherein you will have knowledge about stitching, क्या पैटर्न कट होते हैं, क्या डिजाइन स्टिच कर सकते हो, आपके माइंड में जो डिजाइन्स आ रहे हैं वेदर वो पॉसिबल है नहीं है, that is just to know about the idea.
Obviously made very much sense to me, sense to all of us, because many parents think that fashion designing is nothing but they misinterpret fashion designing with pattern making.
Correct.
Whereas pattern making in itself is a skill, it's a program which is a part of fashion. Let's talk about, as you know, my show's agenda is to know my guests' other side, right?
Yes.
So I want to know, I want you to be very unfiltered with me. I want you to be very honest with me, and I want you to share on this podcast. I want you to open up about your journey. Why the industry of fashion? Why did you choose fashion as a career?
Bachpan se, like, my mom has been my inspiration, and
Is she
second
a
inspiration is no, she's not a designer, she is a homemaker. I'll tell you like behind that why she has been my inspiration. And second inspiration is my dad. So I have from the time I was born, I've seen my mom working in a creative way, like decorating the house, stitching a very different kind of pattern. Like जब भी उनके साथ मार्केट गए, she has seen some design in the market and she tried to come and execute the same design, and it used to be like wonderful. So all the experimented thing, whatever she has done in her career, it was on me. So whenever I used to wear such kind of dresses, people used to appreciate her work. Like, how come she has made like this? And it used to look like,
She had the style sense.
yes, style, design, implementation. And I would say like she was so brainy. I mean, if she has seen the work, like 4 दिन पहले या 1 हफ्ते पहले जो उन्होंने डिजाइन देखा है, she used to remember that.
Mhm.
And same execution she used to do.
On
Maybe, yes, on the garment. She used to buy the fabric separately and then create that particular design. And it used to be like surprising for all the people at my place that how it is possible, how she made it. Arey, this design हमने market में देखा and it was very expensive. We couldn't buy it, but she has executed the same thing, buying the fabric. So it
was it
used
just
to,
in your case, or it was also with your brother's case?
even my brothers also. She has made kurta pajama for them. waistcoat, blazers, pants. So she was like multitasking. Apart from cooking such a tasty food, she used to do such kind of work, and then she was having a very good hands on painting as well.
But she never did it commercially, I believe. That she just tried it out on you and on her kids, but she never had
Correct.
come out as a professional and made money out of it. That
No,
was
no,
not a
no.
career,
She
I
never.
guess.
She never did that. But she used to run a small tuition kind of thing at home for women.
Mhm.
So she used to teach those kind of skill to all poor women who can learn the skill and earn money out of it. So I still remember that time I might be like a 5 to 6 year old kid, and school से आने के बाद हॉल पे पूरे लोग भरे रहते थे, and I used to be like surprised कि चल क्या रहा है. Then mummy is like, नहीं बेटा, इनको स्टिचिंग सिखाने के लिए बुलाए हैं, इनको कुकिंग सिखाने के लिए बुलाए हैं, इनको knitting सिखाने के लिए बुलाए. She
Wow.
is very good at knitting also, that too with single stick. So I used to be like surprised कि मम्मा ऐसा सर्विस क्यों दे रहे हैं, तो दे रहे हैं तो क्यों दे रहे हैं. It was like मैं सोचती थी कि मम्मी ऐसा फ्री कर रहे हैं, क्यों कर रहे हैं. Then she used to say that कि बेटा हर चीज पैसे से नहीं होता है, कुछ ऐसी चीजें होती है जो इंसान को अगर आप में है वो चीज तो आप सिखा दो, कर दो, आज नहीं तो कल it will come back to you in a good way.
Is
Or
that why you chose the career of teaching?
could be, as I told you, like she was my inspiration. So first thing which I got very fascinated with her artwork. जब भी उन्होंने पेंटिंग किया कपड़ों में, so I used to complete that work, and that side help and boosting thing was done by my father. So he used to admire me. He used to give me the paint. बेटा करो, कुछ नहीं होता, मम्मी नहीं डांटेगी, you do it. So he used to encourage me. I still remember there was a marriage function, and I was in our culture. We have to wear that red color traditional. I would use that chapa word, which is right now known as foil printing, which is done through silver. Pure
Okay.
silver. So that time I was not having that dress. So my mom was like कि सब लोग पहन रहे, मेरी बच्ची नहीं पहने की. Oh. She created a red frock, and then she started painting with silver color. That time, I think the story is in the year 2002. Then she got some work. She left that painting and she went somewhere. At that time, slowly I picked up the brush and I was painting. धीरे धीरे छुपके कि मम्मी आ जाएगी तो फिर डांट पड़ेगा. Maybe I would have spoiled the design or something like that was running in my mind. And immediately my dad came and he was like, बेटा पेंट कर रही हो, चलो बैठ, आओ इधर आओ, बैठो, करो, कुछ नहीं होता बेटा, मम्मी will not scold you. That moment I got that energy, yes, I can do something. तो वहां से मेरी पेंट की जर्नी स्टार्ट. I started sketching, मुझे और इंटरेस्ट आने लगा. Then slowly I started participating in my school time. A lot of painting competition used to happen. मम्मी was never focused कि हाँ आप पेंटिंग कंपटीशन में जाओ, सर्टिफिकेट्स भी लेकर आती थी. देन शी यूज्ड टू फील लाइक कि हाँ ठीक है, बच्ची ये कर रही है, एंड शी इज परफॉर्मिंग वेल. Then one fine day I was in need of color, and next day
Color
there
as
was
in
a
what color?
that oil pastel color.
Okay. For what purpose did you need it?
It was a competition in the school and I participated, and I wasn't knowing that it was so big. Generally I was like, it was like 10 o'clock at night, and I was like, mommy, I need color. And she was like कि color वलर कुछ नहीं मिलेगा, पढ़ाई लिखाई कुछ है नहीं. Then I was like कि how to manage. I cried, I slept. Next day morning I went. In that competition I got a very good appreciation on my art, and that too I borrowed the color from my friends, and I've completed that art, and then I got the certificate. That fine day when I came back to home, my mom was in tears because she
Out of
scolded me.
out of regret or out of love?
Both. Both. She was like, I'm really sorry. मुझे नहीं मालूम था that you are really doing so good. और आप ये reward लेकर आई हो. I'll make sure that whatever you wish like in your future, I'll do it for you. And everybody was happy that something good I did and I have received that certificate and all. So small celebration was there at home to make me happy and all. Then जब मैंने 10th दे दिया, and then there was a choice of field. करना क्या है अब, 10th के बाद किस stream में जाना है. So in North it is like either the person who wants to be like a doctor or engineer, they will take science.
Right.
And if somebody wants to study about the accounts,
North.
and
I mean, where are you from?
I'm from Jharkhand.
Jharkhand.
Yes.
Okay.
So, like the person who is interested in banking work and all, they'll take commerce, and the person who are interested uh, being an IS officer and all, they will go for arts. Oh, there was a choice of the field. Then Papa was like, "Beta, Dada was IS officer, so is Khandan mein nobody is there, so I want you to be."
That
And
pressure
then
came on your head.
I'm like, IS officer, नहीं हो पाएगा. ये I really hate this politics and politician का topic and all. Then I was thinking, बाप रे, फिर से पढ़ना पड़ेगा social science and then political science. Psychology was my favorite subject. Then मम्मी was like कि नहीं तू डॉक्टर बन जा.
एक बोल
पापा
रहा है
को खुश
IAS,
करो.
एक बोल रहे मेडिकल फील्ड.
या मम्मी को खुश कर. I was not having interest. Biology was my favorite, but ये नहीं सोची थी कि पढ़ के डॉक्टर बन जाऊँ. Then out of love and concern, I was like कि ठीक है चलो पापा की एक है ख्वाहिश, I'll fulfill that. Then I took arts. पढ़ने गई यार, संभला नहीं subject to be very honest. Only one subject I used to like, that was psychology. The rest of the subject was like big headache, histories and all. उसमें इतने सारे dates. And since I was from ICSE board, so वहाँ की syllabus was very tough. So somehow I cleared out 12th.
Which school are you from?
I'm from Mount Carmel.
So this was back in Jharkhand?
Yes, in Jharkhand. So I started my education from Mount Carmel, KG till 12th. I have studied over there. Then somehow I have cleared my 12th. Then again, आगे की पढ़ाई पढ़. Papa was like, you do graduation from here only and prepare for UPSC exams and all. And then I was like, I cannot do it. But मेरे में हिम्मत नहीं थी how to go and talk, because in my family everybody is like doctor, engineer, and nobody is in fashion field. So my field was entirely different and fashion was a taboo. लोग यही सोचते थे कि बच्ची को अगर फैशन डिजाइनिंग करा रहे हैं तो मतलब बिगड़ जाएगी, हाथ से निकल जाएगी, she will do modeling.
That misconception is still there.
हाँ, still it is there. Still it is there. Everybody was like shocked. And second, either fashion designing or air hostess. So there was a big fun at my place.
I mean, you wanted to either get into fashion or you want to get into flight stewardship.
Correct. So ये दोनों field के लिए भी ना हो गया. And I used to cry. So I wasted 1 month. करना क्या है? मेरी तो यही डिमांड थी कि ये दो फील्ड में से किसी में भी जाना है मुझे. Then पापा was like कि नहीं, फैशन डिजाइनिंग तो भूल ही जाओ आप, वो तो होगा नहीं. And then air hostess, there was again a lot of debate in my family. No, that job is also not.
So how did you break the stereotype in your family? Like, how did you manage
I
to?
would say the hero is my elder brother.
I mean, he supported you.
He supported me. He sat. He spoke to my parents. He tried.
How did you convince him?
He was that time he was pursuing his own study in Chennai, SRM University. So he was knowing like actually what it is, how fashion grows, and what kind of studies are happening in this field and all. And couple of friends were also there from his school who was pursuing this degree. So he was knowing in and out about it. So one fine day he came and he tried convincing my parents कि करने दो इसको जो करना है, don't stop her, she's good at so many things, she will excel well. Then entire family was like बेटी को कौन से फील्ड में डाल रहे हो, बर्बाद हो जाएगी, इज्जत खराब हो जाएगा and all. Yeah, one daughter.
Cliche. It's very cliche. I mean, this is
Yeah.
something which is still happening. I get a lot of parents who come and ask me the same things. They ask me off the record, you know, is my daughter's or my sister's career in safe hands? Whether she will be on the right track? Whether she'll
Yes.
They are parents who trust their child, but again, they are also worried about the environment. They feel that the industry of fashion is cheap. They feel that the
Yes.
industry of
Agreed.
fashion is. I mean, they don't have a appropriate picture to it. I'm not denying that vulgarity and inappropriate things and dirty things don't happen in the industry of fashion. But that is something which every industry has.
Correct. Very
And
true.
that's
I
something,
agree on that
and,
point.
and I
Yes.
would believe that more than anything, it's still. I mean, it lies in the corporate world. Corporate world is all about this. I mean,
Yes. Yes.
to a very large extent, you have a lot of stories nowadays. If my child would someday come and tell me that that I want to get into corporate job or something, I would be really worried. Whether to listen to him or her or or to guide or what, I don't know, because I have a lot of friends working in the corporate field and I hear stories which horrifies me, and I feel that fashion is what in front of this. The fashion is a respectable career. Fashion
Agreed.
is something which you are making people happy by making them dress well. When you
Yes,
dress well, you feel confident, you feel
very.
happy. It boosts your, you know, it brings out the best version of yourself. And in a way, you are, of course, you're charging a bomb, you're making a lot of money out of it, but that's business. I mean, that's how you're
No,
making
people do
money.
feel like, that we are charging a bomb, and the dress, whatever we are designing, that doesn't worth it to that price. But to be very honest, nobody knows the pain and the journey behind designing.
Mm.
Okay.
If
Uh,
I'm not wrong, you also run a studio, right?
yes, I do
Yeah.
have a label which I'm running,
Hmm.
and it's going to be like almost 9 years.
Wow.
So, yeah, in my family also, like I have stopped taking orders from my family, to be very honest, because what happened is when they go to market, for example, I'm mentioning the number. If they're getting a dress for 3,000 rupees, which is fully loaded with the work, they're really happy to buy that. But they're not understanding the quality of the fabric,
Right.
the quality of the work, the hard work, what people are doing to make one particular outfit. They're least bothered. Only the thing is, look wise, it is good, they're buying it. The moment it comes to the journey of the designer, so they're not understanding the value of the time. Very first thing, that they are investing their time, their energy, their creativity on one particular design to make their event successful.
Mhm.
They feel like if one dress is charging 10,000 rupees, that is the initial start range for any designer outfit, be it
Right.
a simple kurta or simple kurti. They're not understanding the value of the textile, what we are using. They're not understanding the elegance of the design, what we are doing. They're just buying the outfit, fulfilling their needs and the events. But there is always a difference between elegance and acceptance of whatever they are buying from the market.
Yeah.
Okay.
Right. Currently, you are the HOD of
Yes.
the fashion design department at Lakutia. So, when you initially thought of doing teaching as a career, did you ever think that you would one day lead a department of any institution?
जब स्कूल के टाइम थे, आई नेवर थॉट दैट आई विल बिकम अ टीचर. ओके. हमेशा से यही था, आई ओपन माय स्टोर, आई डिजाइन अ ड्रेस, और एक बहुत बड़ी डिजाइनर बनूंगी, आई रीच टू द स्काई. दैट वाज द एम्बिशन व्हाट आई वाज कैरिंग इन माय हेड. So slowly when I started
But
learning, yeah.
as far as I've seen your profile and everything, and after what all you have shared with us, you have launched your store, you did
Yes.
fashion shows,
Yes.
almost have given lectures into various colleges. So I
Yes.
think you sort of uh, did what you wanted to do.
Yes. Yes, I have achieved my goal, no doubt. जहाँ पहुँचना चाहती थी वहाँ पहुँच गई. And अभी right now I'm into a research program where I'm trying to do the research on dead stock to convert into a furniture form to save environment. So generally, people are passionate about wooden furniture, wooden structure at home, wherein we see the drawback, like it is harming the environment, where you're cutting the trees and then you are taking a wood out of it and then doing the conversion into furniture and whatever you like. So I'm trying to remove the dead stock and convert into in such a form that we can utilize those dead stock which is harming the environment into a form of furniture. So I am right now in that research thing. Uh,
Something like eco-friendly thing,
a
or
kind of eco-friendly, but again saving environment also. अगर आप देखें टेक्सटाइल इंडस्ट्री में जनरली जब डेड स्टॉक हो जाते हैं, तो या तो वो लैंडफिल्स बन जाते हैं, या फिर इट इज डिस्टर्बिंग बेसिकली द एनवायरनमेंट ओनली. उसका कुछ काम होता नहीं है, लोग वेट करते वो डिकम्पोज हो जाए. बट कुछ ऐसे टेक्सटाइल है जो डिकम्पोज नहीं होते, स्पेशली मैनमेड फाइबर्स. नेचुरल फाइबर्स तो चांसेस है हो जाने का डिकम्पोज, बट मैनमेड नहीं होते. जैसे एक्रेलिक हो गए, पॉलिएस्टर हो गए, दीज ऑल थिंग विल नेवर, बिकॉज इट इज मेड अप ऑफ प्लास्टिक्स. To save environment, we can reutilize those dead thing and convert into it's a kind of, you can say, a recycling of that particular dead
So
stock.
when you say that you're doing a research on this, your is this what you're doing a PhD on, or it's your personal research?
Now I am doing PhD on this only.
Okay.
Okay.
So and I should have asked this earlier,
Hmm.
but you completed your degree and then you completed your
Yes.
master's,
Yes.
and now you are pursuing your PhD, right?
Yes.
So pursuing a PhD, right, from the beginning your career into your, fashion, and now doing a PhD on eco-friendly, you know, research on eco-friendly thing. So how did you actually convince your parents, who first were against fashion, that someday they would allow you to do a PhD program?
When I started studying, like when I was doing BSc in fashion technology, so semester one, I achieved a very good marks. I was a topper. When I got my result, my dad was the first person. First, he wasn't happy. उन्होंने हमेशा ये बोला कि बेटा आप इतने पैसे खर्चे कर रहे हो, इतने में तो आप इंजीनियर बन जाते, and some other field you would have chosen. ये क्या है सिलाई कढ़ाई बुनाई, that your mother also does the same thing you would have done. Then I just kept quiet because I wanted to achieve something at that point and then give answer with my success. फैमिली में बहुत रिलेटिव्स ऐसे थे जिन्होंने मुझे डिमोटिवेट किया। क्या कर रही है, कैची चलाना है, टेलर बन जाएगी, पढ़ी लिखी टेलर है, मम्मी पापा ने तुमको कॉन्वेंट में पढ़ाया, व्हाट यू आर गोइंग टू अचीव डूइंग फैशन डिजाइनिंग, अब तुम्हारा करियर खराब हो जाएगा, बर्बाद हो जाओगी, मॉडलिंग करेगी, नंगे कपड़े पहनेगी। सो दीज ऑल कमेंट्स, आई यूज्ड टू लिसन फ्रॉम माय ओन रिलेटिव्स। वो ना मुझे एक बूस्ट अप रहता था कि ओके,
I'll
आई
prove
विल
them wrong.
आई विल प्रूव देम रॉन्ग। तो मुझे ना और मतलब ऐसा हो गया कि मैं टोटली इनग्रॉस हो गई इस फील्ड में व्हेन आई वाज डूइंग माय ग्रेजुएशन। सो मोस्ट ऑफ द टाइम फ्री टाइम व्हेनेवर आई यूज्ड टू गेट, लाइक कभी लेक्चरर्स नहीं आए, सो माय फ्री टाइम यूज्ड टू बी इन लाइब्रेरी टू गेन मोर नॉलेज अबाउट माय फील्ड। जहाँ मुझे लगता था कि मेरी क्लासेस उतनी फ्रूटफुल नहीं हुई है, मुझे टॉपिक नहीं समझ आया है, एंड I used to do self study a lot. So there was a point where I got more connected towards this field, and I decided that I will make sure that people in my family will take me as an inspiration. And Alhamdulillah, I'm really happy कि लोग मुझे inspiration की तरह लेते हैं अब।
कैसा लगता है आपको जब आपके स्टूडेंट्स आपको देखते हैं, सोचते हैं बैक होम इन नॉर्थ, नाउ इन साउथ, हाउ डू यू फील? आपके होम टाउन आप विजिट करते हो, आपके होम टाउन में भी कभी?
Very rare, but
Okay,
जब भी
whenever you visit your hometown and the people who knew you, the people home along with you, with whom you grew up, when they see you now, when they see you as a successful individual, and I'm sure, because uh, you might have gone through a lot of taunts and
Yes.
comments and so many
Yes.
things, because you come from a north. I'm not judging your hometown, but I'm just figuring out with the things I hear.
Yes.
So now when you visit them, what are the reactions?
They'll be like, अच्छा अब तो तुम डिजाइनर बन गई हो, अब तो तुम बहुत ज्यादा पैसे कमाती होगी, बहुत नेम एंड फेम हो गया है, एंड you know these all word I it's give me satisfaction. Yes, I did it, and पापा हमेशा से चाहते थे that I should become an IS officer, but somehow ये guilt मुझे हमेशा दिल में रह गया कि I did not fulfill his wish, and that is one reason why I'm doing this PhD, so that मेरे नाम के आगे डॉक्टरेट लग जाए. That will be a gift to my dad, that something I have achieved, and maybe not an IS officer, but now I am like doctorate. That degree I wanted to give it to my dad as a gift. And जब जब people says that तुम मेरे बच्चों के लिए इंस्पिरेशन हो, माय किड वांट्स टू बी लाइक यू, तो वो एक अलग अचीवमेंट लगती है दिल में कि यस, आई हैव डन दैट। जो जिन लोगों ने मुझे डिमोटिवेट किया, जिन लोगों ने इस फील्ड को नीचा समझा, नाउ दोस पीपल आर अप्रिशिएटिंग मी, उनके बच्चे आर फॉलोइंग माय फुटप्रिंट्स, सो दैट गिव्स लाइक डिफरेंट काइंड्स ऑफ satisfaction and boost inside myself that कर दिया भाई जो करना था।
So I'm sure in my set of viewers who are watching this video right now, I'm sure there are few people who will relate to my question now. On behalf of them, I'm asking you this. There are people who want to pursue design course, who want to pursue fashion design,
Yes.
but because of this narrative, because of half knowledge, and because of this stigma of not getting into the right field, is stopping them. Stopping to chhodiyeh, it is they are very hesitant to even go and convey to the parents that this is the dream they're carrying in their mind, that they want to pursue a fashion course, uh, with with the fear of getting judged, with the fear of getting slapped, with the fear of getting scolded. So they silently kill their dreams, and I believe somewhat they take it to their parents through you know by dwelling into their thought process. I mean, let me clarify this. They go and tell them that back in their mind they know that they want to do fashion designing, but they'll go and tell their mom and dad that मेरे को stitching सीखना है, because they'll feel that okay ठीक है, I'm trying to balance their their limits, and I'm somehow through this area I'll get into fashion. So they'll go and tell them that मेरे को fashion, मेरे को stitching करना है, dad मेरे को embroidery करना है, mom मेरे को fabric painting करना है, मेरे को textile सीखना है. Ultimately the goal is to do fashion designing, but they're not able to be vocal that that no, I want to pursue, I want to be a fashion designer, I want to make this my profession. So आप ऐसे स्टूडेंट्स को क्या बोलेंगे जिसके थ्रू शायद आपकी ये बात वो अपने पेरेंट्स को दिखाएं, और उनके पेरेंट्स ये डिसीजन लें कि हाँ ठीक है, दिस इज अ राइटफुल करियर.
इस कंडीशन में मैं तो यही बोलूंगी, बच्चे हर चीज के लिए वोकल होते हैं. लाइक जिनसे किड, इफ आई टॉक अबाउट इट, दे आर very clear about what food they want. They are very clear about what costume they're going to wear. They are very clear about what gadgets they want. Why not in education? Why not then they're not vocal for their own choice of the field? They should make their parents understand. Nowadays, it is everything is available on internet. They can show how the course run. They can show what all subject we are teaching in this course.
Right.
They can show the videos and audios of related subjects, outputs, where it is landing, so that they can educate their parents and make them understand how is this field, how effective it is, and what benefits they're going to get after doing this course. So it is whole and soul about educating their parents, educating their well-beings who are forcing them for any other
Their
stream.
well wishers.
हाँ, well-wishers, उनको educate करना if they really want to go ahead in this stream which they are taking as the career. Nothing else would work if they themselves are not opening up and talking on
Okay,
their behalf.
to break the stereotype
Yeah.
of this thing, what do you think a girl should be or a guy should be in fashion? Should they set their limits, or they should be casual about it?
On this part, I would like to tell you that there should be always a line draw in everything, be it in terms of discipline, be it in terms of designing, be it in terms of behavior, and everything. अब बच्चे फैशन को माइंड में कुछ और ही कन्वर्जन लाकर, if they are behaving something.
Okay, define me exactly what fashion is and how the industry of glamour differs from inappropriate stuff. People, usually misinterpret glamour industry, fashion industry as something bad. They think it's dirty. They think it's inappropriate. They think it is something which is low, and it is something immoral. So now, how do we convey to them that glamour is not always bad? Uh, Glamour is growth.
The conception behind this, when we use this word glamour, so people think that glamour is drinking, glamour is smoking, glamour is doing party outside. But in reality, when we say glamour, it is more into it is more into designing part. Like when we talk about the trend which is going on in market, when we talk about what color palette is going on in market. In terms of designing only, I'm talking the style which is in trend right now. So it is all about that. But people, when they execute such kind of
I've listed on few questions. I'm very much sure that my viewers would be really interested to know, because ultimately we are here to talk about the other side.
yes,
Right. So my first question is, when was the last time you felt proud of yourself, and why?
when I've cracked my scholarship exam, to be very honest, I was not prepared at all
Scholarship of what? For
for
degree?
PhD. I was not prepared.
We're talking
And
about what year now? 2023, 24?
24. I was not prepared, and बस मजाक मजाक में मैंने फॉर्म भर दिया. And everybody was like, "ये खुद भी बकती रहती है, क्या ही PhD करने जाएगी and all." Because generally I've seen people doing PhD at very old age. And to be honest, when I entered my PhD class, even I was also looking forward to the people, and I was like, मैंने जल्दी कर दिया क्या पढ़ाई ऐसा फील हुआ. But again, coming back to the point, मैंने फॉर्म तो फिलअप कर दिया, प्रिपरेशन उतना कुछ हुआ नहीं. I just got one day, that was Saturday night, not even one day, I would say like maybe 4-5 hours. Just have gone through some general questions and all, and something related to fashions and all. थोड़े मास्टर्स के जो सिलेबस थे थोड़े ओवरलुक मैंने कर दिया. एंड देन एग्जाम्स हंसते खेलते मैंने जाके दिया. आई वाज थिंकिंग कि ठीक है 15-20 दिन के बाद फिर से होगा स्कॉलरशिप टेस्ट. ये नहीं निकला तो वो उसमें कुछ आइडिया आ जाएंगे क्या क्वेश्चंस होंगे. बट द शॉकिंग पार्ट वाज आई क्लियर्ड ऑफ.
It was a shocking part.
That was a shocking part. मुझे खुद ही यकीन नहीं हो रहा था कि भाई मैंने निकाल लिया है, हो गया है, स्कॉलरशिप मिल रहा है. I got 40% of my fees. I was like very proud. Okay, अब ये मैं कर सकती हूँ खुद से.
Finally, doctor का dream पूरा हो रहा.
Yes.
Okay. Now the next question which I wanted to ask you is, what's a dream you've given up on and why? Is there any dream which you have given up on? You can say a no if not.
Dream as in
So something which you wanted to truly.
I really want to achieve. मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि for my parents I wanted to do more. I'm just stepping stone towards it, and inshallah I'll do it. I have one dream, like I should have a very good and beautiful own design house wherein my parents can sit, relax, do whatever they want. Like they like gardening and all, growing some fruits and vegetables. Of course, they can do in their own place, but since I told you that I belong to Jharkhand, and because of me, they have they have left
Relocated.
all their luxurious life just because of me. So I just wanted to give them back that luxury life with my own earning. So that is one dream.
Truly amazing and truly
So I
inspiring.
really wanted to achieve that, and that is what. Yeah.
Okay. Coming to my next question, what's something you think society gets completely wrong? I mean,
Judging, judgment, society. They just judge on the glimpse of the picture, on one-sided herd story. They should stop doing that. That
you
is the
cannot change the
major
mindset.
drawback.
You cannot change the mindset of society unless and until you change yourself. You bring a change and you educate people. In my opinion, now you've got a golden opportunity of handful of students in your hand. You can tune their mentality, and that might pass out. Instead of just educating them about design course,
Subject
you can
and-
also educate them on how to look a person's profession with respect, especially in the industry of fashion.
You know what? I feel like the person who does judgment on others, they themselves get the answers. Not now, later on. They are also going through the same phase of the life, but it is like very late. It is very late answer from the God, but they get the answer.
This is your
So-
belief, or this is what you've witnessed?
I have.
Now, coming to my next question, if money and time weren't an issue, what would you spend your life doing?
Happily enjoying with my parents. Nothing else.
Enjoying-
I would have.
Enjoying how?
uh,
Enjoying
I
how?
would
Enjoying
have-
gardening and farming, like you told?
No, I would have asked God to, give a pause to their age, time, and I could have enjoyed more life with them.
We can pray for the health, and
Yeah.
we wish and we hope that they stay a longest life. and
I
happy
really
life with
want
you.
to live my older childhood life, which I have not lived, to be very honest. पता ही नहीं चला कब बड़ी हो गई पता ही नहीं चला कब रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी से घिरी हो गई। अ, जो बचपन में लोग खेलते कूदते थे वो लाइफ मैंने नहीं जिया। तो आई वांटेड टू रिवाइंड दैट एंड लिव।
That's okay. We've all got an inner child in us,
या
and whom we should always make sure that that never dies. Coming to my last question. So, what's the kindest thing someone's ever done for you, and how did it make you feel?
आई हैव नेवर सीन हर टेकिंग रेस्ट। अगर मैंने उनको बोल दिया मम्मा आज 4 बजे जाना है, सो इफ आई टोल्ड हर दैट 4 बजे जाना है तो 2 बजे से शी विल स्टार्ट कुकिंग सो दैट 4 बजे भी मैं ब्रेकफास्ट करके जाऊं। शी विल मेक श्योर दैट ब्रेकफास्ट भी हो जाए, लंच भी हो जाए। सो इट इज लाइक वेरी क्लोज टू माई हार्ट, दीज ऑल efforts what she take at this age also. Even if I be in kitchen, she will be the most worried female at home. Rest everybody will be enjoying how मैंने खाना अच्छा बनाया and food is delicious and decoration is very good. Uh, but she is the one person who will be worrying from the room. पता नहीं ये लड़की अकेले क्या कर रही है, सारा काम इस पे पड़ गया, पूरे दिन काम करके आई फिर she is in the kitchen. So that
I've
sort
seen,
of thing.
I've just seen her, giving you calls. It's already very
Yes,
late now, and I think
yes.
she is trying to reach you anyway. So, thank you, Miss Ruxar. It was good to know your other side. And I'm really honored, really happy that you chose to come on our platform. Thank you for sharing your other side with my audience, and I'm sure my audience will have some questions, and I'm sure they would ask in the comments section, and we'll definitely get back to you guys in the comments. All your questions will be answered, and I'm sure if you like the ideology she's carrying, if you like the methodology she's holding, then definitely you can come, you can meet, you can ask in person at Lakotia College. After all, she is going to be a mentor. Thank you for having us.
Thank you so much.